Have you ever pondered the immense effort and extraordinary journey it took for mankind to step beyond the bounds of our home planet? The story of space exploration is a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and resilience. Today, we'll delve into the chronicles of NASA's space missions, a narrative of triumph, tragedy, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Our tale begins in the summer of 1958 with the birth of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. A response to the shock of the Soviet Union's successful launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, NASA's creation marked the beginning of America's space age. The first chapter of NASA's history, Project Mercury, kicked off in 1959 with the goal of putting a man in orbit around Earth. It culminated in 1962 when astronaut John Glenn orbited Earth 3 times in the Friendship 7 spacecraft, marking a monumental achievement in human spaceflight. The next page turned with Project Gemini in the mid-1960s. This program aimed to perfect the techniques needed for a lunar landing mission. It involved critical advancements such as spacewalks and docking 2 spacecraft in orbit. Then came the Apollo program, the crown jewel of NASA's early years. This ambitious project aimed to put a man on the moon before the end of the 1960s, and it did. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left their footprints on the lunar surface during the Apollo 11 mission, a feat that echoes through the annals of human history. The Skylab program followed, marking NASA's first foray into long-duration space habitation. It was the United States' first space station, paving the way for future endeavors in space living and research. The Space Shuttle program, running from 1981 to 2011, was a significant leap forward. It revolutionized space travel with reusable spacecraft, enabling numerous scientific missions and the construction of the International Space Station. In the 21st century, NASA has focused on exploring Mars and beyond. With missions like the Mars rover and the upcoming Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon and eventually reach Mars, NASA continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. To summarize, we've journeyed through the history of NASA's space missions. From the early days of Project Mercury to the current exploration of Mars and beyond, we've witnessed the evolution of technology, the resilience of the human spirit, and the endless pursuit of knowledge. From putting the first American in orbit, landing humans on the moon, to constructing the first space station and exploring Mars, NASA's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. As we gaze at the stars and dream of what lies beyond, we remember the efforts of the countless individuals who have dedicated their lives to exploring the final frontier. The story of space exploration is far from over, and as we look to the future,